It's here. Come on.
How's the arm?
Hurts. This way.
Nighty night.
There's the bus. Gotta save those people from the symbiotes.
But I can't stop thinking about this. We spend all of our time fighting bad stuff. And I don't get why we can't do that alongside Tyr.
We do not know him.
We saw his shrines. He's a leader. He stood up to Odin when no one else would. If he's done it before, why wouldn't he do it again?
Images from long ago do not tell a whole story.
Out the door.
Oh my
You
God.
with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Up there! Get him!
Don't lose sight of him!
yards. Turn left.
There.
Command, you read me. Over. You got a possible shooter. Oh, no, you don't.
That civilian's gonna get seriously hurt if I don't step in. Take whatever you want.
Not enough!
Pick up someone your own, or, my side.
I got it!
Okay. I think that's it.
God damn it. Rafe and Nadine must have dozens of guys out here. I mean, they could just stumble onto the treasure through blind luck.